Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What is linguistics? Only there are two words which you need to keep remember, which you need to understand. Having understood these two words, you will never ever be able to misunderstand this term linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific study of language. So, the very first word which is necessary to be kept into the mind is scientific. Now, you must be thinking about the word scientific. What does it mean when it comes to a language? Scientific here means, there are many more interpretations, there are many more ways of explanation, there are many more ways in which this word has been explained by the linguists. But in my opinion, scientific means which is based on observation, which is based on observation. So, two words which are much more important for you, dear students, scientific and observation. So, it means linguistics is the study of a language when we observe the people and then we describe the rules. So, our description of rules have been based upon the observation of the native speakers. For example, if an English speaker says he is, the other person says he is, the other person says he is. So we have observed they will never say he or, they will never say he am. Whenever they have to speak like that, they will say he is. So we have observed, we have made a rule. What rule? What sort of rule? Is comes after he. Am and are never come after he. So the word which comes after he, which is. So this is the observation. So this is called scientific study.